House lawmakers are set to dig into the alleged corruption in big-ticket government infrastructure projects. More in this report.
The House Infrastructure Committee will begin its hearing into the alleged anomalies in flood control on Tuesday, September 2. According to committee chairman and Bicol Saro Party List Representative Terry Ridon, the first agenda will focus on the so-called ghost and substandard projects earlier inspected by President Bongbong Marcos in Bulacan. Lawmakers are set to summon all resource persons needed, including officials from the Department of Public Works and Highways, contractors, and other government agencies that approve the contracts. Congress is also eyeing site inspections of flood control projects in question. Meanwhile, Vice President Sara Duterte called on lawmakers not to limit their probe to flood control projects alone, urging them to also look into alleged anomalies in the construction of school buildings.
Huwag tayo tumigil sa flood control projects dahil noong 2024, last year, nagsabi na ako, sa school building program pa lang ng Department of Education, pinaghati-hatian na ng members of the House of Representatives, pero walang nag-react. Hanggang ngayon, walang nagsasalita, walang nag-iimbestiga. Hindi lang naman flood control
Ridon agreed, saying the probe must be all-encompassing.
Tama ho yun. Actually, very important po yung binabanggit niya. Dapat ho all-encompassing, no? Yung pong review ng all infrastructure projects. And very important din po na talaga hong hindi lang tayo limited. In fact, I think the mandate of the Infrastructure Committee is not naman just po on flood control projects. No? It includes all infrastructure projects, and more importantly, it includes a very expanded timeline.
But Manila 6th District Representative Benny Abante challenged the Vice President to present evidence to support her claims.
Ang nais natin lamang sa kanyang sinasabi that she would produce evidences. Let Congress investigate and review it. Meron naman tayong oversight committees to do that eh. Di ba? I mean, hindi naman pwedeng bigla ka magsasalita in a general term, no? Na wala ka namang puputos ng mga ebidensya.